Okay, we've let our eyes set. So the eyes are set up in there good. So we're going to hook up our mouth, make sure our mouth is working good before we put the back on. We're going to tie our string on first. You want to make sure you get the mouth is working properly before you seal it up. Otherwise, you have to take it all back apart. So I tie a knot in that, and then I put a staple in here. That helps to keep it from coming undone. So we'll hook our spring up. Because sometimes when you paint it, the sides tend to catch. So you want to make sure that's all going to work well. I'm also going to take some Johnson paste wax and this helps to put it on the side to keep it sliding properly. You can use a Q-tip, cut it down. It's for maintenance as you go along, as time needs it. We'll also put a little on the sides here. We're also going to take a pencil, and where we have our teeth, we're going to darken that a little bit. That'll just help to give the teeth a little more depth. Now we'll hook the mouth up. I think we're going to be okay. But this is a very important step. You want to make sure the mouth's working properly before you seal it all up, so you don't have to take it back apart later on and redo it. Sometimes you gotta, because of the paint, you gotta sand a little bit on the side to make it a little more smoother. But being that the wig is just stapled on, it's a lot easier to take on and off if you need to. I think we're okay. So we're going to take a little bit of paste wax and we're going to put it up here on our dowel, so that helps the string to slide a little better. So I'm going to go in there. Check the mouth. And the mouth is working good. Okay. So now we're ready to seal it up. Like that. There go. I think I'm going to adjust it just a little bit because I think it's touching it. It's not. Maybe it is. Just kind of catching here just a little bit. So we're going to make just a little bit of an adjustment here. I'm going to sand this down a little bit. Put a little paste wax on here. Catching right in here a little bit. And then again, we'll put a little more paste wax in here. As this is a very important part. You do not want to have to take it back apart to make adjustments. Go. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. As long as you keep enjoying them, I'll keep posting them. I think we're okay now. I can see light through there, so that's working okay. Okay, so now we're done with this. We can put the back on, put our wig on, and finish the body, and then this one will be done. Thanks for watching.